Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Talent Network podcast. I'm your host Sarah, and today we are joined by someone I'm genuinely excited to have with us. She's the director of one of our trusted industry partners and have years of experience in the mental health field. She delivers some of the most valuable workshops, especially around disability sector, supporting children with autism and understanding behavior strategies. So please welcome the director of Autism Alliance, Ruby Kaur. Ruby, for everyone listening, can you share a bit about your organization and your role there?
Yes, so here at Autism Alliance, I'm a director of the company.
Amazing.
And then we are more delivering the service based to the children with autism, children with special
Mm,
need, and people with disability. So we are more focusing on how to deal with them, and then we
mm,
are making few more effective strategies that really work for the parents. And we
mm,
do offer free parents training as well. Like
mm,
if parents would any parents struggling with anything, they are
mm,
feel free to join us and find it out the way how they can
mm.
support the child children better way.
Amazing.
So
That's
this is our main goal is in the organization is.
amazing. So, can you share your journey, like how you got started and what inspired you to pursue it?
Yeah, definitely. So story is a bit like
Mm.
could be a bit longer. Like I've
Uh,
been through so much. So I
uh,
started with Autism Alliance in 2022 when
mm,
I worked with my previous director.
right.
She she was retired already. She's no longer with Autism Alliance anymore.
Mm.
But she operate this business. It's been like 14 years.
Ah,
And then after
okay.
14-year journey, she feel like this has to be this business must be handed out to genuine person, like who do
Mm,
care the
yeah.
children, who can look after. This
Mm.
business was like a baby for her, and she was the
Ah,
one who founder of this organization. And then
mm,
when I've taken over, I wasn't ready for it even. But she's the
ah,
one who trained, and
mm,
then she's the one who literally saw those skills that are actually I couldn't identify when I was working with her. So we work closely and I build it up. And then I work with so many companies and then I'm having experience in mental health and
amazing.
I work with people with disability. I work
Mm,
independent as well, support coordination, service coordination as a manager as well.
wow,
And then now I'm a managing director. So this was
amazing.
my journey. And then most likely I did work with people in
Mm,
mental health as well. So I was just quite very familiar with it's been like a 6 year I'm continuously in this world. I never been
yeah,
work with other organization though.
yeah. So you mentioned that you have worked with mental health clients as well, like you have been working in mental health. So what were some of the challenges you faced early on, and how did you overcome them?
So challenging part is like building a trust that was
Yeah,
really hard. And
exactly.
then if you have
Oh,
to, I can set up one example. I had
mm,
one of my client in my previous company I used to work with. She is very particular with someone if
mm,
she can always refuse. She doesn't want to
mm.
she just hates me. And then she said, oh, I don't want to see you even. Please
Oh,
go away, don't approach
mm,
me. And then this was the scenario I come out of. And
mm,
I did build a good relationship with the mom. And
right.
then I know she was a bit close to mom and then she was a bit close to
Yeah.
dad. They the one who they support me in that time.
Hmm.
They said, but I didn't give up. And I feel like
Hmm.
no, the person need a support and I'm here
Yeah.
to support.
Yeah.
And then I was just supervising them. I was not even asking her anything to
Hmm.
sit and listen me at all. I was
Ah.
just supervising them for a 2 hour. I would
Hmm.
just keep following them. If she's wherever she's going, I would just keep
Hmm.
following them because she wasn't eating, she wasn't having her tablets on time. So I
Oh.
was just trying to, but I did build a good trust with her. And then
Hmm.
every time she asked everybody, where is Ruby? She
Oh,
always
cute.
remember my name. She
Hmm.
forgot everything and she still remember my name.
Ruby.
Yeah, and
Amazing.
then it's like she set up her mind. She
Hmm.
was very aggressive. Her behavior was very, she had us so much,
Hmm.
like few times she escalate badly, so where she
Ah.
cannot anyone control.
Hmm.
Last time when she went to the hospital and then I wasn't there and I got a call. And then mom said, "Can you please go?" And because she's asking you, she wasn't sitting in the ambulance as well. She said, "Nah, I'm just because
Cute.
my support staff is not here." And I was like, I
Oh,
went and then immediately she sat with me in the ambulance. So this was a very challenging
hmm.
experience I had. And then
Yeah.
after that, it's a lot settled. When
Hmm.
I left her, I worked with her 2 year.
Oh,
And
okay.
I wasn't work. I resigned from the company. Then mom approached me again. She said if you could work independently for her.
Oh.
Then I especially went for her 2 hour to just sit with her, have a chat with her, to
Hmm.
just. I was working full time, and then after full
Hmm.
time, 5 o'clock, I always went there to just to see how she's going. And then
Hmm.
I started introduce another person, and then now she's a lot settled. When I passed from there, she still remember me,
Oh,
which is
that's so
like
nice to
strange
know.
for me.
Yeah, exactly. So
And she got
cute.
dementia as well. So
Oh,
yeah, and
and
then
still she
that's
remembers
why
you.
I'm yes, that's just I like build a good reputation with
Thought,
her
yeah,
as well. And then quite
exactly.
I started building my skills and my interest toward this industries
Hmm.
as well. Like
Yeah,
no, everything is possible. You just have to be wait for the right time. You don't have
yeah,
to be give up. That's make
yeah.
you most strong when you are facing through. Sometime people give up, and
Hmm.
then when you've been through this situation, you must get the support. Right
Hmm.
support is important, but
Yeah.
yes, I would say just feel the emotions like way they are feeling. So if you're putting
Hmm.
yourself in that place, then you can realize how hard it is. Building a
Exactly.
trust for us as well, it's very challenging though.
No doubt, no doubt at all. So, what do you look in a person who is coming for, the placement or something? What do you see in them and then offer them a job at your, Autism Alliance?
So basically, my only the 3 to 4 boxes, which is mandatory to tick off. I do
Mhm.
not disclose this at the initial
Oh,
meeting.
yes.
And
Hmm.
I never disclose because I really wanted to see what how the creative they are
Yeah,
thinking, how
exactly.
effectively they can think around, okay, it could
Hmm.
be the incident, how to
Yeah.
prevent. So some
Hmm.
of them, your student were they were really good. Even if I looked it into the back, only one person was not even capable enough that I hired. Then rest of them I
Good.
offer job to everyone.
Amazing. That's great.
And
That's
yeah,
great.
because they were meeting with the skill requirement and they
Hmm.
more willing to learn and then they more contributing toward the they don't mind to taking assisting our educators to taking them to
Hmm.
the toilet training and
Yeah.
then because we do the personal care as well and then
Hmm.
we don't mind to having a student there but I always
Yeah.
told them because some of them student to be honest they are doing beyond the duties they are
Yeah.
allocated with and
Exactly.
then if I looked into the safety purpose, I
Hmm.
always stop them not to do it. So you guys have
Yeah.
limited restriction on that. So
Hmm.
you have to always review it back. I know we work
Exactly.
hard in some industries. Some of
Hmm.
them they are working already in the other field in the disability sector. We know
Hmm.
how important it is, like care for the children, care for the
Yeah.
adults, the person who's
Yeah.
having a disability, special need. They need our support. But
Hmm.
some of them they are very tricky to explain them
Yeah.
rather than
Hmm.
you just instruct them if you ask them can you please put that file anything back they will just do it only the single task
Okay, right.
and look it into the other around area what
Hmm.
actually is going on so
Yeah.
this is like I'm particularly looking into when I'm always hiring them. So
Hmm.
I just always want they think effectively. And I don't mind to assisting them, giving them more information because they
Yeah.
always coming to me and asking me the questions regarding the how Ruby, if there is something happened on the floor in this regarding that, how we resolve this. And then do you have a policy related to that? You know,
Hmm.
all these questions do build
Hmm.
a trust and then this is the sort of questions I think is a good to ask, and then
Yeah.
is capability how you
Hmm.
are willing to learn.
Exactly. No doubt at all. So, what advice would you give to someone who wants to like start their career in your industry?
The best advice would be you must honest,
Yeah.
and then you must be have good emotions, and you
Hmm.
could understand someone.
Yeah. Be in someone's
And that's
shoes and
like,
understand them. Yeah.
and when you're working with the children, you
Hmm.
must feel like I would say age below than 20, below than 25,
Hmm.
it's not worth to working with children.
Yeah.
Having a
Exactly.
more senior and
Mm.
build your skill is
Mm.
like good, capable to handle them.
Yeah,
Treat them with respect and dignity is first
exactly.
priority.
Yes.
You have to protect them. Doesn't matter
Hmm.
whether it's like a child, is adult. We have
Hmm.
to treat her the same.
Yeah, exactly. So, things has changed a lot. I mean, when you started in that industry, things have changed now. So, what do you think are the new trends that are going to come in next 5 to 10 years, or are going to shape next 5 to 10 years?
I can't at the moment
Mm.
imagine, but the
Yeah,
way I'm progressing, way I'm going forward, and I was
yeah.
like, it's a good. It if this field is like you have to connect it yourself,
Hmm.
not everyone is gonna be come to you and ask, oh, I need
Yeah,
help. So
yeah,
you
exactly.
must connect it with the people. That's
Hmm.
important, I believe.
Yeah.
And in the coming years, it could be a lot of the things get changed
Hmm.
because might be they need a support, might be they don't
Yeah.
need a support. Just it
Hmm.
depends on the circumstances they are facing. But
Hmm.
hoping for the best. So this industry is quite more interesting, and then hopefully things going to be improved,
Yeah.
and then we should get more help around from the
Hmm.
the NDIS,
Exactly.
and so we can support better.
Amazing. That's great. And what skills and knowledges do you think are important or you think are important in the industry right now?
Your skill and expertise are you must acknowledge the boundaries.
Yeah,
That is important
exactly.
factor.
Hmm.
And then building a trust is a main ability you must have. You
Hmm.
must have a capable enough to deal with the situation.
Yeah.
You, as I said, you must not give up. You
Yeah.
try, you research, you try your
Hmm.
efforts, get the support. This is the
Yeah.
things if you get stuck. Even I know no one is born perfect, but yes,
Hmm.
skills,
Exactly.
education, and always these things when
Hmm.
it's linked together, it does make a sense
It's
of
the,
okay, this
yeah,
is going to be
empathy
work.
actually. So yeah, I understand that. So what do you think about platforms like SkillTrack helping industries in getting talent or skills development?
Oh, you guys, I would say that's amazing job that you helping student, and then the way you guys help at the back and then
Hmm.
preparing them. Because I've set the example, I have a one student who is having a bit dyslexia development. He's a
Hmm.
development delay anyways,
Uh,
but he's been with us. I'm trying because I'm cooperating because I'm in this situation at the
Situation,
moment.
yeah.
uh, yes, I do have 100 participant I'm dealing with in a
Hmm.
one day. So I'm still acknowledging and giving him opportunity,
Time, yeah.
just not rushing like okay, say
Hmm.
100 things, policies and procedure I'm implementing,
Hmm.
and asking him, okay, we have to acknowledge it. He can't do it.
Yeah,
So if
exactly.
he goes to other, this field is, I would say, is like much appreciated. I really
Hmm.
appreciate it to you guys as well. Like you're doing amazing. You're supporting them, and then you're getting all the follow up and all the follow with us as well. That's right. Amazing job.
Amazing. That's great. Thank you so much for your time, Ruby, and giving
And
this
that's wonderful.
opportunity and
Thank you.
giving time. So I'll definitely reconnect with you and hope to see in future and how we can place our students with. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much, Ruby, for sharing your incredible work, your experience, and knowledge with us. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, bye.